Good morning. This is meteorologist Drew Lerner of World Weather Incorporated, and this is a real quick update for hard red winter wheat and soft wheat areas in the Midwest. Wanted to start off just talking a little bit about the precipitation that occurred during the course of this past weekend. We did see moisture occurring across many areas. Most of the precipitation, though, that did occur in the northern plains extended down into the Midwest. And this occurred largely as snow, but there was a little bit of rain that occurred before it. The snow accumulations here were additive to that which already occurred in the previous week and continue to maintain a favorable amount of snow on the ground across these areas, which is very important because the temperatures did get quite cold over the weekend. You can see the moisture content in that snow on the bottom two charts. Well, the snow cover, though, as of this morning, was still widespread across the Dakotas and Minnesota, a big part of Iowa, except the Southwest. And of course, the heart of the Midwest has at least a little bit of snow on the ground. This is of critical importance, and I'm going to draw the line here for the southern edge of the significant snow. There was a little bit of snow that was lost yesterday across parts of Nebraska. But on Sunday morning, when the coldest temperatures occurred, that we did have some snow occurring a little bit farther to the south than what you see here. This is very important because these are the temperatures that occurred during the course of the weekend, the lowest temperatures getting down fairly low, in fact, below zero in quite a few areas. The most important of which, of course, is in soft wheat areas, and there's a great deal of interest in hard red winter wheat as well. Well, in soft wheat areas, the temperatures did go below zero across a fair amount of Illinois, Indiana, and parts of Ohio. But these areas, as I just showed, had snow on the ground. And so there should not have been any damaging conditions in soft wheat areas. In Nebraska, there might be a little exception. A few areas probably got down near and slightly below zero with little to no snow on the ground. However, the most important wheat producing counties in Nebraska are farther to the south, where there was no threatening cold. In fact, most of hard red winter wheat country experienced temperatures that were no colder than upper single digits, and maybe a few lower single digit readings in southern Nebraska. But these temperatures are not cold enough to cause any kind of serious problem for winter wheat, especially at this time of the year. Now, if it was spring and the crop had greened up and started developing aggressively and we saw these kind of temperatures, it'd be a different situation. So with the snow cover covering most of the Midwest soft wheat areas and the lack of extreme cold in key hard red winter wheat areas, the bottom line is that we did not see any kind of winter kill scenario playing out across any of the U.S. crop areas. This is meteorologist Drew Lerner.